Welcome back to Hidden Coins USA. Stop scrolling, because the coin you ignored this morning could be the one collectors never stop searching for. It looks old, it looks dark, it even looks damaged. Most people would never give it a second glance. They would spend it, throw it into a change jar, or leave it forgotten inside a drawer. But experienced collectors do something different. They stop, they look closer, because sometimes the darkest coins hide the biggest stories. Today, I am holding one of those coins, a 1995 Washington quarter. At first glance, nothing special, just another quarter, just another face of George Washington, just another piece of pocket change. Or is it? What if I told you some 1995 quarters have attracted serious collector attention because of their condition, unusual toning, striking quality, or genuine mint errors? What if the coin sitting in your pocket deserves a second look before you spend it? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to check, and you may never look at a quarter the same way again. Now, look closely at this coin. The surface is almost black. The color isn't bright silver anymore. It has decades of history written across the metal. To many people, that looks ugly. To experienced collectors, it raises questions. Has the coin developed natural toning? Was it stored in a unique environment? Has it remained untouched for decades? Or is something even more unusual hiding beneath that dark surface? This is where the hunt begins. Every collector knows one simple rule: never judge a coin by its color alone. Some naturally toned coins have brought surprising premiums because collectors appreciate attractive original surfaces. Others are worth only face value. The difference is in the details. Tiny details. Details that most people never notice. Now move your eyes toward the date. Then the small letter beside it. The D. That tiny mint mark tells you this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. Millions were produced. But here's what makes the search exciting. Not every surviving coin is equal. Most entered circulation. Most became scratched. Most lost their original luster. Most were spent thousands of times. But every once in a while, a collector discovers one with exceptional preservation, beautiful original surfaces, or a genuine mint error. Those are the coins that get people talking. So don't look for an ordinary 1995 quarter. Look for something different. A doubled design, an off-center strike, a dramatic die crack, a clipped planche, a retained cud, an unusually high-grade example, or exceptional natural toning. Those are the kinds of characteristics that can transform collector interest. Now look at Washington's hair. Can every strand still be seen? Look at the eagle on the reverse. Are the feathers sharp? Are the rims complete? Is the strike unusually crisp? Collectors ask these questions because condition matters. Sometimes, condition matters more than age. A common coin in average condition may be worth only 25 cents. The same date in an exceptional certified grade can become dramatically more desirable to collectors. And that's exactly why people still search rolls of quarters every single day. Not because every coin is valuable, but because one extraordinary discovery can make years of searching worthwhile. Now, do not rush. This is the moment where most people make the biggest mistake. They look for one thing. They find nothing. Then they put the coin away forever. Professional collectors never do that. They inspect every detail, every letter, every number, every edge, every reflection of light. Because one tiny difference can completely change how a collector sees a coin. Start with the date, 1995. Make sure the numbers are sharp. Then move to the mint mark. That small D, look carefully around it. Is it clean? Is it fully struck? Does it look normal? Or does something seem different? Sometimes genuine mint errors can create unusual features. A doubled design, a die crack, a retained cud, a clipped planche, an off-center strike. Those are the kinds of characteristics experienced collectors search for. Not because every coin has them, but because finding one can be exciting. Now slowly rotate the coin under a bright light. Watch how the surface reacts. Does the light move evenly? Or does something unusual catch your eye? Collectors often spend minutes, sometimes hours, looking at a single coin, not because they already know it is valuable, but because they refuse to miss something important. Now look at Washington's portrait. Focus on the hair, the forehead, the ribbon, the lettering around the rim. If those details remain unusually sharp, the coin may have avoided heavy circulation. That matters, because condition is one of the biggest drivers of collector value. A coin with ordinary wear may be worth face value. The same date in an exceptional certified grade may attract much stronger collector interest. Now turn the coin over. This is where many discoveries begin. Look closely at the eagle. Study every feather, every wing, the shield, the arrows, the olive branches. Look for cracks running through the design. Look for doubling in the lettering. Look for missing details that appear to come from the striking process rather than later damage. Remember, post-mint damage is common. True mint errors are different. That is why authentication matters. Experienced collectors never rely on excitement alone. They rely on evidence. If you think you have found something unusual, do not clean the coin. Do not polish it.